To exclude apps so they won't be closed when you do optimization on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find device care. Tap device care and then tap memory. Tap excluded apps. Next, tap plus icon at the top right. And then select the desired apps you like to exclude. As the example, we will add weather and Gmail. And then tap add to add the selected apps to the excluded app list. Go back to the memory menu. By adding apps to the excluded apps list, your phone will exclude those apps, in this case, weather and Gmail, from memory usage check, so that they will not be listed in the app list that are currently use memory. As you can see here, they will not be closed when optimization occurs to close all apps that are running in the background. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.